What's going on, guys? Kelvin here and welcome to 320 Tech. You know, we're approaching the end of 2020 and 2020 has been a great year for Clockology. I mean, where do I even begin? We recently hit 150,000 followers on Clockology fans on Facebook. I mean, it's crazy how fast this page has grown, and it's insane to think how this one watch app has brought so many people together. Especially in times like this where traveling is essentially impossible, interacting and helping each other out shows that Clockology fans is one of the most strongest communities out there right now. Over the past year, I saw Clockology begin as a very small app with a very small amount of users. I mean, Clockology started out as an app that was laggy, buggy, drained loads of battery, and it never really worked the way that I wanted it to. But as time went on and the developers worked really hard, I noticed something very special happening. The community grew, I saw more watch faces being made, and I saw what started out as an app grow into a family.
Everybody from Clockology Crocodile family get kiss from Grandma Carrie, okay?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. You guys have no idea where that mouth has been. Anyways, moving on. If you guys aren't sure how to install Clockology, click here for my step-by-step guide on how to set everything up. It breaks down the entire process, so it's really easy to use. Because it's the year 2020, in today's video, I want to show you guys my top 20 watch faces of 2020. Now, massive disclaimer, I didn't make any of these watch faces, I don't own any of them either. Every single watch face that I'm showing you guys in this video is from the Clockology fans Facebook page. You guys will also be able to find the watch name, creator, and download links in the description below. Could you guys also be respectful to each of these creators as well, because they put their time and effort to make all of these amazing watch faces for you guys. Every single watch face inside of this video is totally free. You guys won't have to pay a single cent, so the least you guys could do is say thank you to each and every one of the creators out there. Every single watch face inside of this video is being shown on my Series 5, but I'm letting you guys know right now that it's also compatible on the smaller screen size of the Series 3. And before you guys ask, the song names, download links, and timestamps will all be in the description below. But wait till the very end, because I have a bonus watch face 21 that I want to give you guys to wish you guys luck for the year 2021. So what are you guys waiting for? Best watch faces of 2020? Let's go!
Calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start rising. Did you think you could keep us all? ground, you feel it moving with the revolution.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see some more Clockology content in the future. Anyways, thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Wait, what's that sound?